Welcome back to the Lifestyle Herbalist Podcast. I'm Dabney, your host today, and I'm going to be taking you through some of my favorite herbs that I have used to create vibrant and glowing skin. Herbs and herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Skin is our largest organ and tells a lot about the health of an individual. When we're sick, it's usually the skin or the face that lets us know that, and others know, that something is amiss. When the skin is glowing and radiant, it's a sign that the body is operating in a more synergistic way. If you or someone you know is struggling with acne or your complexion is not as nice as you would like it to be, then this is the episode for you. Personally, I've been eating plant-based for over a decade, drinking herbal teas frequently, and using natural face products. I've had people, strangers actually, stop me in the store and tell me my face glows and that my complexion is so radiant. I think I can thank herbs for that. One of my most utilized herbs, I love it, is calendula. I've talked about it on these podcasts before. I use it in my face cream. Calendula can be utilized both inwardly and outwardly. Calendula is a powerful wound healer. Its antimicrobial properties provide a strong line of defense against infections, wounds, and will help scars be less noticeable. Its antimicrobial properties are very helpful for those suffering with acne. It reduces redness and is soothing for sensitive skin. I infuse calendula in oil as a part of my calendula cream, but it can be made into a salve or used in a tea. Speaking of acne, red clover can be quite helpful if acne is stemming from those teenage hormones or maybe menstrual cycles. While it's a blood cleanser, these phytoestrogens is what helps the body deal with those hormonal imbalances. Red clover is used in many women's formulas. However, guys, boys, men, you all can benefit from red clover as well. Burdock root is one that I use in many formulas, almost every formula I can think of with somebody dealing with a skin issue. It's really the go-to herb for me. Like red clover, burdock is a blood purifier and is specific to influences of the skin, kidneys, liver, gallbladder, and mucous membranes. And what it does is it removes those byproducts and toxins, and it helps to stimulate the natural flow of the lymphatic fluid. Its anti-inflammatory constituents support digestion and liver function, creating a beneficial benefit to that glowing skin. Licorice root helps by supporting the liver, which is our detoxifier. Without the support of our liver, our bodies would not function well. Licorice root is sweet, moisturizing, and brightens the skin. It also assists in reducing hyperpigmentation. I'm actually sipping on a tea blend today that has licorice root in the formulation. I love that it's hydrating to my entire body. It soothes redness and irritation, and it can help with eczema and rosacea. It's best used as a tea and extract or part of a topical serum. Have you ever tried Gotu Kola? It's spicy and fragrant herb that supports the connective tissue and boosts collagen and repairs damaged skin. This adaptogenic and anti-inflammatory herb is useful in the repair of varicose veins, edema, and wound healing. Gotu Kola has the ability to accelerate healing time in connective tissue. It can be taken as a tea, tincture, or used as a poultice externally. The other thing about Gotu Kola is that it's an adaptogen. And when we're stressed and we're tense, typically people are not, well, if you're tense, you're the opposite of that, is relaxation. So Gotu Kola helps our body to relax, and that relaxation can help our bodies and our muscles to relax so that we're not frowning or furrowing our eyebrows together, things like that, clenching our teeth. Then those things actually impede those wrinkles and things like that as well. So while herbs provide support to the skin and enhance that glow, please remember that outside of our bodies is the window into the health of the whole. It starts in the kitchen with whole foods, and nutrients that support skin health are vitamin C, that supports collagen synthesis, and it brightens our skin. Zinc is another mineral that helps to heal acne by regulating the oils in our skin. Omega-3 hydrate the skin and reduces inflammation. Lifestyle habits also affect the skin. Hydration, sleep, and stress all affect the body and therefore our skin. This week, as you make plans for your time that you're going to be cooking and taking care of your self-care, make a plan to try just maybe one of the herbs that we touched on today. Or maybe it's one of the nutrients that you can add to your food. But this week, try one thing differently, and then you can incorporate a little bit as you go along. Let me know how this goes. I'm here to support you along the way. And stay tuned next week as Sabrina will bring her insights on gut and skin connection. So until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep glowing.